This video is one of a series numbered 1 to 8, which cover the basic concepts of the primary mathematics curriculum. The teaching materials used in these videos are made from local resources, either no cost or low cost. Video 1B sets out step by step how you can make these resources to support your own teaching.
Okay, I already introduced the abacus as a way of children understanding number and making numbers, but you can also use it for addition and subtraction. So I'll give you an example. Supposing we ask the children to add 21, so they're going to make 2 tens and 1, and then you want them to add on 43. So they want 10, 20, 30, 40, which they'll add on to the tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, and then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, giving you an answer of 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. Okay, and if we say to the children, okay, we want to add on another 7 ones, then they can add on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we've now got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, and now we've got a bit of a problem. So what the children can do, we're not going to have 60, 10, 60, 11, 60, 12. So this is a very easy way of explaining to the children that actually if we combine 10, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we actually exchange that then for 10, this goes away. So our answer now is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 71. Likewise, if we want to add on another 30, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 10, 20, 30, we've now got 100. So you can't have 100 in the tens, so you'll combine those. 10 tens will make 100. So our answer now is 101. Okay, we can also use this for subtraction, by helping understanding of subtraction. So say we start with 32. And we want the children to subtract 10. Well, that's easy. We can just take away the 10. So 32, subtract 10 will leave us with 10, 20, 21, 22. Comes a little bit more problematic when we say, okay, we want you to subtract 6. So 32 subtract 6. So we can take away 1, we can take away 2, but now we've got a problem because we haven't got another 4 to take away. So what the children can do is that they can take a 10 and they can convert it into 10 units. So we take 10 units, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and we can put these onto our ones. And now we can subtract our 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, leaving us with an answer of 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Okay, we can use our place value cards also for teaching place value and for addition or subtraction. So, for an example, with addition, let's say we ask the children to calculate. We'll have 124 and we want to add on 213. So first of all, we can make those numbers. So we've got 100, we have 2 in the tens, so that's 2 tens, and 4 in the ones or units. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to be adding 200, so 200, 1 10 and 3 ones or units. And for addition, we simply combine them. So my answer will be 1, 2, 300, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. Okay, so here's a slightly more complicated addition that we're going to use the place value blocks for. So we have 226, so 1, 2, 10, 20, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're adding 185. So 100, we need 8 tens, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tens, so 80, and then 5 ones or units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we combine the numbers and we find that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now we can't have 11 in the units, but what you can do is that children can see that if they put 10 units together, then they will make a 10. So they can exchange their 10 for a 10. And they are left with 1 in the units. The 10 will go in with the other 10s. So we can put the 10 here to show that it's in with the other 10s. When we add the 10s together, we find that we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So again, we've got a similar problem. We can't have 11 in here, but we can line the rods up to show that 10 of these will make 100. So this is giving children understanding of carrying, of understanding why it is that we can't put 11. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 of these is the same as 100. So we take that and we exchange it now for the hundreds. And we're left with 1 10. So we have 1 10 and we've put 1 new 100 into the hundreds. So now when we add our hundreds up, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, giving us a total answer of 411. Okay, using the place value blocks for subtraction. So we've got a simple calculation here, 349 subtract 126. So you make up your 349, 100, 200, 300, 4 tens, and 9 ones or units. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And first of all, we're going to subtract 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which leaves us 3 ones. We've got 4 tens, take away 2 tens, so subtract 2 tens leaves me with 2 tens. And 300, subtract 100, leaves me with 200. Okay, so that's quite simple. But what if we'll start with our 223, and this time we're going to subtract 44. Now we've got a bit more of a problem, because we've got 3 units and we want to take away 4. 1, 2, 3, we've got a problem. So we need more units. Now the children can see quite easily that the 10 is made of 10 units. So what we can do is we chop up a 10 and we can make 10 units from it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I can do it. I need to subtract 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So to show this on the calculation, what we did was we took one of our 10s, which leaves me with 1 10. And that 10 I chopped up into 10 ones, and 10 ones and 3 ones gives me 13 ones. When I subtracted my 4, I'm left with, it should be 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I need 1 10 subtract 4 10s. So I've got another problem. I've only got 1 10, I need 4. So again, the children can see that 100 is made of 10 10s stuck together. So I'm going to chop up 100 and turn it into 10 10s. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that now leaves me with 11 10s. So I show this, I've taken one of my hundreds, I've chopped it up. That leaves me with 100, and I've now got 10 10s plus the 1 10 I already had, so 11 10s. So now I can subtract my 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, which will leave me with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 10s. And I have 100 left. Subtracting nothing will leave me with 100. There you go. More detail about the resources in this video and others can be found in this booklet, Numeracy for All, Resources for Teaching Mathematics. A guide for teachers and trainers on how to make and use low-cost or no-cost teaching and learning aids to encourage active and playful learning for maths in the classroom. Okay, let's go and teach some maths.
These videos are from a partnership between VSO International and the MESH Initiative. Both organisations have a commitment to share knowledge freely around the world for the benefit of teachers and learners.